Now is the time to start learning how to use OpenAI's Sora new text to video tool. This channel has been making $44,000 per month with AI video content. And if we do some quick math, you'll quickly see that $44,000 a month times 12 months in a year is $528,000 a year. So that alone is pretty exciting in itself. But what's more exciting is this channel has done this entirely by clicking buttons, and I've unlocked the code that you can follow to do the exact same thing. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and I'm not just showing you something hypothetical here. I want you to take notice here. You can see these AI videos on my account. Replicating this method has already earned me over $10,000 in commissions by using simple AI videos that I'm posting across multiple accounts, different platforms, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. So I have the exact steps that we're going to follow right here in this tutorial. I want to show you how to copy paste AI videos and potentially make over $500,000 a year. Now, obviously, that's not a guarantee. I can't promise you anything because I have no idea what you're going to do with this information. But what I can do is break it down into the simplest steps possible so that you have the best chance of success. So before we go any further, I did make a step-by-step checklist that you can check off as you go along if you are serious about this, as well as a webinar that's going to break down the exact steps that you can follow to get started with this, whether you're a beginner or whether you're someone who's been doing this manually and you're looking to crank up and start using AI. So that's available at profitpassively.com. Now let's dive into the exact steps to make all of this work. The first thing you need to do is grab access to the AI video cloner, and you can currently do that for $1 right now at oneclickvids.com. They're going to give you a 30-day trial for $1, so that's a month you can use the tool. I'd recommend taking advantage of this before the price goes up because I don't think that this is going to remain $1 for long. So that's the first thing. You need to actually get access to the tool. Then you're simply going to find a channel that's already dominating your niche. So if we take a look here, this is my buddy Chase's channel, Shinify, and I've known Chase for a long time, for several years now, and he's very good at what he does. And to be honest, most people exaggerate the claims they make on here, and I actually did the opposite here. This $528,000 a year is a very modest estimate. I think he makes closer to a million or a few million per year doing this. But anyways, what I'm trying to show you is the steps you can follow to do the same thing. Like I said, doing this has earned me over $10,000 in commission, so there's nothing stopping you from following these steps and doing the same thing. So the first step, like I said, after you get access to the tool, the next step is to then find a channel already dominating your niche so that you can copy their videos. So once you've done that, it gets really easy. This is where we're just clicking buttons. So the next step is to paste the video into the script cloner. So here's what that looks like. If we come over here to the tool itself, you'll see this tool called transcriber. So all we need to do here is put a link to a video. You can see I've already done this with a couple videos. Now what happens is it's going to grab the script from the video. It's going to pull the exact words of the video out. So all you have to do is copy it and then come over here to the video generation tool. You see here it'll let you put in a script. You could do this with either a script or an idea, but I'm just going to paste that in there. And so if we look at the steps, the next step is to change the website and feed the script into the AI video generator. So the reason we want to change the website is because if we're, grabbing somebody else's content, this might have their website listed in here, and so all we need to do is simply change this over to ours. Now in this case, I don't see the website listed here exactly. It just says comment yes to grab these game changers. So we're good to go with this, but we could also add something in here like grab the tool now at oneclickvids.com, right? So that's what we can do, and that's it. Now all we have to do is click this button that says generate video, and it's going to spit out as many of these AI videos as we need. So you could see here that there's a few different options you could play with. You can add captions to your video, you can add animations, you can change the voice, you can add music, you could do all that. And so that's what's going to create these simple AI videos that you can then use to promote affiliate offers, to promote your local business, whatever you want to do. So like I said, the tool is at oneclickvids.com. Right now you can use this tool for just $1. and start generating AI videos. Now, what's really exciting is soon OpenAI is going to be releasing their Sora tool to the public. So you can absolutely do the exact same process that I'm showing you here in this video with any AI tool you want. You could do this with Sora when it comes out. You can get started right away using oneclickbids.com and generating these videos. And so if you want to see what this looks like here, I can pull one of these up and we can preview it here.
Earning passive income from your social media accounts has never been easier thanks to these 4 hidden websites. OneClickVids.com lets you generate AI.
All right, well, you get the idea. So it's creating AI content, it's putting captions, it's putting a voiceover. So literally all we're doing is clicking a button, right? And remember, if we want to be smart about this, we could just copy the script from other people's videos. So this doesn't matter what niche you're in. So here, what I've done is type roofing into YouTube. So say you're a roofer or you do marketing for a roofer, or right, you could do this with plumbing, you could do this with drop shipping. It doesn't matter, right? The product doesn't matter. What you're going to do is right here, if you just do a search for your keyword, it's going to pull up some of the most popular videos. Right here, look, 7.4 million views on this video, 4 million views on this one, 45 million views on this video. So all we need to do is pick one of these videos and then clone the script and feed it into the AI tool. And it's that simple. We put the video link in here, we click transcribe, then we copy the transcription, we come over here into the image generator, paste that in and click generate, and now suddenly we have as many AI videos as we need, and we can use that to monetize really any product we want. So here we could see here that this channel is posting these videos every day, and some of them get a lot of views, some of them get hundreds and thousands of views, other ones don't do as well. But the point is, this is all automated. All we're doing is clicking buttons to create this content and then posting it. Now if you want to take this to the next level, you can actually automate all of this using an automated scheduling tool, and if you want to check that out, it's at automatereels.com. So I'll show you how this tool works in just a second, but if you've made it this far in the video, do me a favor and let me know you're watching by commenting yes on this video. That's going to let me know that you like this content and to create more in the future, as well as trigger the algorithm to show it to more people who are interested in AI and particularly making money with AI. So like I said, this scheduling tool is available at automatereels.com, and what's so powerful about this is there's a button here where I can click and it says bulk CSV import. So I want to show you what that means. If I click this button, it has a little training video here and an example file, but it's going to let us import a spreadsheet. And so I actually have this spreadsheet here. This is what it looks like. And what I've done is put links to the videos that I've already created. These are AI videos and videos I've used in the past, and I've put them into this spreadsheet. So now all I have to do is select the date that I want the content to start, right? So if I want it to start today, I'll click that, and then I'm simply going to drag this down to the bottom of this list here. And so now you can see the dates in chronological order. So this is the next 2 months worth of content ready to go. So now all I have to do is come here to export the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click download. I'm going to click export as a CSV. And so now all I have to do is come over to this tool, click upload. Let me find the download here. And so now all I have to do is upload this spreadsheet into this tool, and this is going to automate the next 2 months of AI content. You can see here it's pulling in the videos, it's pulling in my titles and my captions and all of that. So all I have to do is walk through these steps. There's a few options here as far as what I want the links to say and all of that. But ultimately what you just saw happen just by clicking a few buttons is I have scheduled 2 months of AI content using this Automate Reels tab here, tool here. So this is the overall process that has led to my friend Chase making, over $500,000 a year or more using AI videos, and then again me copying his process and earning $10,000 already with this process. So there's nothing stopping you from getting started with this right now. All you have to do is be sure to grab the tool for $1 at oneclickvids.com. If you want to take it a step further and automate the posting, then grab the tool at automatereels.com. And like I said, to wrap this up, I did create a step-by-step checklist to make this as easy as possible for you. And I'm even going to throw in a webinar on top of that. So once you get the checklist, there's a webinar that explains how to use it. And that is all at profitpassively.com. Now, it's not for everybody. That's only for people who are serious in this. If you're not serious about it, then, just take your time, dilly-dally, and, do whatever you want to do. But if you are serious about this, this can earn you tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Again, by doing literally nothing more than clicking buttons on your computer screen. So if that's exciting to you, then like I said, drop a comment letting me know down below. Comment yes on this video. And if you haven't already, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below. That's going to make sure you see all of the videos I put out in the future. If you want to see them right away, be sure to click the bell icon as well. That will give you a notification on your phone each and every time I upload a new video. So other than that, I wish you the best of luck. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next Making Money Online video.